Sawa sawa.
Sawa, sasa tufanye hivi.
Okay.
Sawa. This is my uncle, Stanley.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. Matthew and
Gina.
Saying we're actually getting into tea country. Well, actually T-zone. We're gonna. Yeah, that's what he said before. Tea country.
He using zone.
Yeah, tea country. And yeah, so we're actually probably gonna try and stop by a tea farm and see what we can discover. We're gonna stop for lunch as well when we get to the main town. What's the town that we're stopping at?
Karicho.
Karicho. And yeah, of course, I'll take the camera with me. So we're just stopping at lunch, so we're just stopping for lunch at the Sunshine Hotel, this little town, and gonna have a quick bite to eat, freshen up, then hit the road again.
Very nice.
So we're here in Karicho. We've stopped off here at the Sunshine Bar, and yeah, we're gonna have some lunch. We ordered pretty much sort of traditional. Would you call it Swahili food or Kenyan?
Kenyan food.
Kenyan food,
Yeah.
And you got some ugali, some chapati, like some fish, yes, some gege, and the fish is obviously from Lake Victoria, fresh caught water fish. So yeah, I'll show you the food when it comes out, and yeah, it's beautiful out here. Very, very nice. Lots of greenery, as you saw before. All the tree plantations. I'm in holiday mode, it's hard to think. So yeah, we'll wait for lunch to come out and we'll show you the food. So here, one thing I will mention, traveling is super easy because everyone speaks English universally. They speak English. So Swahili is probably the main common one, and then there's obviously English. So as a tourist, beautiful.
From Nairobi and across the country, everybody speaks English. Or at least majority of the people speak English. We have a second language, which is a national language, and that is Swahili. Now that is if English is 95%, Swahili is like 97%. Then everyone now, we have a base language, which will be a vernacular language. So in my case, it's Luya. Where we are sitting now, it's in Kericho, they speak Kalenjin. And where we were in the Mara, they speak Maasai. So all of us won't understand any of those languages, but we will all understand Swahili and also understand English. Now where we are going as we head to my village, will be through the Luoland. The Luoland, just to explain, this area they do mostly tea farming, so you'll see a lot of tea around here. Where we were in Masai Mara, they do a lot of cattle keeping, so they're pastoralists. They have a lot of animals, so that's cows and goats mostly. And then as we go down through the lower land, you'll get there's a lot of sugarcane, so sugar farming. And then we get to my place. My place is mostly small-scale farming. It's mixed farming, so we have zero grazing. We have tea farming as well, and poultry farming as well, and you'll get to see that yourself.
So Tim was actually saying, it's really funny, so tea is obviously massive here. Everyone drinks tea. Everybody, a couple times a day. So like at home we drink coffee, here tea is huge because they make it. It's the best in the world. But drinking tea, they drink it with milk. And I think, is that right? A sign of wealth is someone who drinks their tea with a lot of milk. If you don't drink tea with milk, then it's some kind of a sign of being not so rich, because obviously it's expensive to refrigerate and have milk. So when I asked for no milk, she looked at me funny. But here we are, proper local Kenyan tea, probably made from up the road.
And up the road also is where the Lipton advert was done.
Yes.
Current running advert.
And a fact which some of you may not know, but everyone will know, Lipton Tea has their biggest tea plantation here in Kenya. Probably what, here in Kericho, this town. Lipton Tea, their biggest tea plantation is here in Kenya, in Kericho. So that's a fun fact for you.
The advert.
And the advert, there's a new advert on TV showing, you know, them plucking the tea from here. This area, this spot. So it's pretty amazing. So yeah, flowers, and then like rose flowers, and then tea is Kenya's biggest export, and obviously everyone knows the coffee as well. So let's try this tea. That's tastes organic. It's beautiful. Needs a little bit of sugar, just to because it is quite strong. Just take away the bitterness. But yeah, that tastes amazing.
The body is strong.
Yeah, very strong. They've brewed that nicely.
Wow. Chips and fish. Thank you.
Yeah.
We don't need to eat dinner.
Wow, that is fish and chips.
Oh wow, thank you.
My fish is wet fry.
Wet fry?
Yeah, it's Kenyan delicacy, mate. I can't wait.
You got the deep
Dry,
fried.
yeah, deep fried.
Wow.
Thank you.
What's it taste like?
No, it's really good, really crunchy.
Yeah? What about the fish? Have you tried the fish yet?
No, not yet. How come we can't get this fresh fish at home?
Yeah, we can. It's just not
fresh from the lake.
So I got the pork chop.
Managu.
This is managu. It's kind of very similar to spinach or like kale.
To Australia.
All the meat here is organic, fresh,
Free range.
free range, organic, grass fed, how animals should be. So sweet and juicy. The
There's some stew, pork.
oh, for the pork?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Yes.
You got some stew for the pork?
Like tomatoes.
Like a tomato based broth. So the pork is just, it tastes like someone's just taken it from their farm and put it on my plate.
Because I did.
That tomato sauce is like a rich tomato. So I've just wrapped the chapati bread up into this like little sandwich, and I've put some of the green stuff in there with the pork and the red tomato sauce. I made myself like a little sandwich. Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah. The legit stuff, man.
Oh wow. I didn't think those three things together would be so tasty.
Yep.
So we just finished lunch. It is absolutely bucketing down and the ladies are going to take us to our car. Lunch was sensational.